Welcome back, fellow engineers. I am the Neural and this is Factorio, and I finally figured out what I was doing wrong with the circuits. So cool stuff, cool stuff. I am going to be setting up a couple of things. Actually, let's just see what we need here. We need iron plates here. So we want to get started on our laser production. So here's what we're gonna do. Iron plates and steel. So let's give it a couple of inserters here. And you can go straight up like that. Okay, and now we could use some of this. We're researching solar energy right now. Things are looking pretty cool. So, electronic circuits, batteries, and steel plates. And we can actually put modules in these things, but electronic circuits and batteries. We are going to pluck these from this little guy, I believe. Yeah, maybe we can get... How many? 4 turrets are engaged. And 1 object is being damaged. That's no big deal. So, where are we gonna get our electronic circuits from? We have them right here. I want to pick them up from this guy. And I want to try something. Let's get a conveyor belt going, say here. All the way there. And now that we have these little buggers, I am going to tell you what I was doing wrong with this guy. What's this doing here? Okay, smart inserter. Here we can pluck him down like so, and oh, that's not it. Give me a couple of these, and we're gonna need a bit of red wire so that it doesn't connect. So all we do is connect each one to its counterpart, each wire to its counterpart, and this, we want this to filter inserters. So let's choose the inserters. And we have to choose it in this slot, not this one. So we're actually, I think we have to mine it out. And then, oops, no, what'd I do? Give me 5, 10, okay, you too. Okay, so let's give this guy some red wire, connect it to the inserter, and tell it we want inserters in this slot. If there are less than, let's say 20. Okay, now we just rotate it there, and there we go. What the hell? Maybe we need to set it here too. It was working a minute ago. If it's less than 20, I put more than 20. If it's less than 20, do it like that. And so this one will have filtering out transport belts. And if it's less than, let's say, 100, you can start putting them in there. All right. But now we have our transport belts on us. Okay, and we were getting ready to put some of these bad boys here. So let's just... no. Let's just put these guys... Yeah. Go around like this. Okay. So now what I want to do... I want to set up a buffer. So let's get solar energy researched. So let's get electric energy distribution. So we want a smart chest here. No, actually, we're being dumb. We're being dumb. I'm being dumb. Sorry, you're not dumb. You're awesome. And this little guy here, and this will input the electronic circuits. Now, we need to input batteries. Yeah, and you guys, this is a good enough buffer. Okay, let's get ourselves a splitter. This has to go this way, and you go that way. Okay, so half and half. Electronic circuits here. What else does this need? Electronic circuits, steel plates, and batteries. So, where are the batteries? This is producing the batteries. Where are... Oh. Bam. Okay, the electronic circuits are all going into that slot. And I actually want to make sure that they stay in that side. So this will make sure of that. Now this is producing batteries. Batteries will put in this side right here. So we can just pretty much do this and this. Alright. And let's actually it doesn't need prolongation. We just need to get this done. And this also needs steel plates. So, steel plates. Where are the steel plates? Now, steel is expensive, and this is where I wanted to use the circuits. What do we have here? 128. Okay. This is where I wanted to use the circuits. So, what we're gonna do is tell it, when there are less than X steel plates in this chest, you can start picking them up. So we have to set up a little network here, a little smart inserter network. Let's actually do that and that. Oh, actually that is unnecessary. Unnecessary and unwanted. Oh, okay, so I want a chest where we can have steel plates that will be put onto the conveyor belt. So, let's say that this chest right here, yeah, right here, is gonna have steel plates. Smart inserter. No, not smart inserter. This can be a regular inserter. Right here, and the conveyor belt right here. Alright, and then a smart inserter, an inserter here for these guys. And this will be the only thing that is going to be producing the laser turrets, because we don't need that many. We really don't. Let's actually just power this. Let's not power this up. Electric energy distribution. Let's research accumulators. Let's power this like so that it's not connected to the grid, and give it a little green wire condition, and tell it filter laser turrets. Where are the laser turrets? Laser turrets, laser turrets. Like this. If there are less than, let's say 10. Let's say 10. And this doesn't need any conditions. Alright, so this will only put 10 of those in there. Now, we want, if there are more, then... Now, this is where we need green wire. I think we're actually gonna have to power this up. But let's place some of this. Let's place some of this, and you can place it from here. And you'll see where I'm going with this in a short while. Within a very short while, you'll see what I'm trying to accomplish here. If you haven't realized already, I want to set up a long-range circuit network. And now I want not green wire, let's put some red wire from this little pole to there, and then all the way down here we're gonna have a smart inserter that is going to put steel plates on this conveyor belt if there are less than, let's say, 5 steel plates on that side. So let's plop you down here and tell you it needs to be connected. Needs to be connected, and we're actually gonna power you up and then proceed to powering up this thing, because right now there won't be any damage done, I don't think, if we connect this up to the power grid. So let's power this like that. Okay, this is all connected, and we want this red wire to come from here. Oh, it's too far away. Okay, everybody, I've connected. You can see the red wire here. This is kind of a mess, but it comes all the way from that smart chest all the way down around here into that smart inserter. And this inserter has the command to only filter steel plates if there are less than 10 in that smart chest. So we're gonna rotate it, and it will put more than 10 in the transport belt, obviously, but as soon as they reach this top part here, they will stop getting placed, and we can actually avoid this excessive thing by rotating it once again and just waiting for these guys to reach that place, and there will be more than 10. So now that's circuitry, that's circuits, batteries, and steel plates, and this will be ready to start producing. Alright, so the steel plates are reaching this place, and we'll be researching modules pretty soon now. Let's just plop you down like that. Okay, alright, so that's our laser facility up and running. So now we're just gonna have to start. Here, let's see. That's placing all of those, and this should stop placing them soon enough. Should, I say. If there are less than 10, you filter it out. Oh. Red wire. Yeah. Why are you still placing that? Is it not connected to a red wire? Where did I screw up? Oh, right, because this is placing them. Let's see if this stops. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, it should have stopped placing them right now. It is not stopping the placement. There are 23 of those in there. Wait a second, this is not connected. This is not connected. And I think I understand what's going on. There, red wire. Okay, and now this needs orders, which will be for the green wire. Less than 10. Okay. Okay, so there are 84 of these in there. Crap. But now this should have stopped placing. It did. It did stop placing because everything's now correctly connected. Okay, I'm gonna see for how long we've been running. And next step, blue science pack. So I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, we're just about done here. I replaced this with a smart inserter so that it obeys the logic of only placing when there are less than 10 too, so that it'll create a little buffer. So now, these lasers, we already have 10 in here, so what do we need to do? We need to ensure that we have all the power that we need. So that this, because the lasers are really power intensive, so we want accumulators. Laser turret damage. What do we want? A substation. Don't really need that for now. Modules we're gonna need, and advanced electronics will give us robotics. We want advanced oil processing ASAP. Let's get combat robotics. Combat robotics. Tool belt. Inserter. No. Let's get combat robotics. Combat robot. Follow combat robotics too. Oh no, no, no. Modules. Modules. Okay. So what we want is let's place a little one of these guys here. A smart inserter. Whoops. There. Little bit of green wire. Oh, like this, so that it doesn't mix up with the red. And this will filter out batteries, because we're gonna want batteries. And only filter batteries if there are less than, let's say, 15. Okay, 20. 20. So, you can put batteries in there, and it'll give us a nice stockpile so that we have enough to build some accumulators. So let's just loot that chest and get ourselves 3 accumulators and loot all the laser turrets. And are we being... What are those? Those look like red things. No, they're the things. Alright, so let's put some laser turrets. And we're actually gonna need some big poles, some medium electric poles. So let's just get 10, because these take steel. And steel is kind of expensive. So, medium poles. Where are the medium poles? Get rid of the atomic dildo there. And get some of these guys right here. And right here. Okay. These. And get some lasers going. Oh, actually, let's place them 1 block farther back. Just because they are... the biters can actually chew through one block gap, so they can chew through the wall. So let's just place a couple of those here, and we're not gonna need you, and you, and you. And just place you guys kinda like this, and this. And you can go, and you can go. So these will now take care of business. Do we have our accumulators yet? Where are the accumulators? Here they are. So we're gonna have to place some... I don't know. We can place them here, here, here. Okay, 3 accumulators. These will be accumulating, I don't know, some energy. Some power. So when these things are firing, the accumulators will actually provide us with enough buffer so that our entire production doesn't come to a complete stop. And now, let's do the same in this area right here, where we're constantly being attacked. We can put these guys like so, and so, and so. So there. Let's plop you down there. There. Alright, that's good enough. So, let's put you there. You there. You there. You there. Oh, you can actually be one spot closer. And you can come with me, because I don't have to fill you up any longer. Atomic dildo here. Okay. Alright. I think we're all set for now. So, we have lasers, we really need those blue science packs ASAP. It's a shame that I didn't figure out what I was doing wrong with the circuit networks before, because then I would avoid having these huge buffers here. But now everything's in order. We are not over stressing the factory just to fill up these belts with the steel plates, and having figured this out is gonna really help us out. So let's research lab efficiency, and until next time, guys, thank you very much for watching. I have been the Neural. Minecraft coming soon. I forgot, this has been a hell of a week, but Minecraft coming soon. So until next time, thank you very much, and I hope you have an awesome day.